Today I will explain you about hybrid inheritance in Java using VS Code. What is hybrid inheritance? In Java, hybrid inheritance is when a class inherits properties and behaviors. Behaviors implies methods from multiple types of inheritance, such as single, multi-level, or hierarchical inheritance. So it's a combination of more than one type of inheritance. So it could be single with multi-level or multi-level with hierarchical or the three combinations. So that is called as hybrid inheritance. Now if you see this diagram and the syntax, here we have a superclass. Then B is a subclass of A. So if you take A and B, it's a single inheritance. If you take one more subclass called C, that is also been inheriting from A. Here also it has been. If you take A and C, it is a still single. But if you just see this area, it is called a hierarchical inheritance. Because one superclass, multiple subclasses can be called as a hierarchical inheritance. And you can see D is a subclass which is deriving from another derived class called C. So D to C, C to A, it is multi-level. So here we have single, hierarchical and multi-level inheritance is a combination. Now it is called as hybrid inheritance. Now when you see the syntax, you can see class A we are defining, that is superclass. Class B is extending A. So we need to write class B extends A. Then for C, class C extends A. In this way you are writing. Then class D extends C. Class D is extending C. So any point of time in Java, one class can extend another class. Now I'll show you the program for hybrid inheritance in Visual Studio Code. Open the Visual Studio Code by typing in the search bar. So you need to have the software prior and click that Visual Studio Code. This is the environment for the Visual Studio Code. And here we need to create one folder in order to save our file. So just select this folder. Okay, I'm creating one folder here. Just click this Java VS 12. Now in this folder, just click and just create a new file. Click this one. Now here I'm writing hybrid inherit demo.java. Now here the same thing we'll do, like we'll take the superclass A. Superclass A. Then we'll write void method A and we'll print method A from class A. Okay, this is a superclass. I'll write one more class B extends A. Okay, B extends A. Now here I'll write void method B. In this system.out.println method B from class B. Okay. So as per the previous diagram, I'm showing now class C that was also derived from A. Okay, extends A. Then here void method C. And here I'll write system method C from class C. Now one more class D as derived from C. Okay, class C. Then here I will write method D. And here we'll put system.out.println method D from class D. So 4 classes I have written. So this is a super class where it has one method. Class B is extending from A. Class C is also extending from A because it's hierarchical inheritance. And class D is extending C, which is nothing but a multi-level inheritance. Finally, I'll write class hybrid inherit demo as a class name. Then I'll write public static void main. Public static void main. Then you write string arguments. Then close. Now here you create the object of subclass only. So one object I'll create for B, because that is been extending class A, new B. Okay. Then I'm going to call ob dot method A is one. Then ob dot method B is another one. Two methods have been defined. Now class D is also subclass. ob1 I'll take new D. Now here I can call ob1 dot method A, ob1 dot method B, not B, C. Then ob1 dot method D, because there's a multi-layer inheritance. Okay, so now we'll see what is the output for this application. Okay, so only two subclass levels are there. So B is extending A, so we have taken B object, and D is extending C. C is extending A, so we are calling A, C, and D only. So save this file and just run and see what is the output. Here you have a button called run code. Just click it, and here you can see the output. This is for B, these two. So we are calling method A with B object. So you got method A from class A, and method B also we have called method B from class B. Now these three is a multi-layer inheritance where D is derived from C, C is derived from A. So we are calling method A first, then next, and third one like this way. So this is the application for hybrid inheritance. So I hope I have given some input for the hybrid inheritance. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.